How to add or remove contacts on Android. So for this, all you need to do is go to your phone application and then head over to the Contacts tab, which you can find on the lower right corner. So before your contact list, you will find three icons. The first icon is for you to add contacts. So tap this icon, and then you will see on the upper left corner, you can select the location as to where you want to save this contact. Now tap the drop-down arrow button beside name, to which you can add the first name, middle name, last name, and name suffix of this person. So to add their phone number, just tap on phone, and then you can select the category of this phone number by tapping on the drop-down arrow button beside mobile, and then select from any of these options, or you can create a new category by tapping on custom. So if this contact has another phone number, then you can tap on add phone number. So you can also add in the email of this person. So by tapping on the view more option, these options will appear, providing you a more detailed information with regards to this contact. So once you're done, you can tap on save, which is found on the lower right corner. Now to delete a contact, just long press the contact that you want to delete, and then a delete option will be found on the bottom part of your screen, and then select move to recycle bin. And so that is how you add or remove contacts on Android. Thank you and have a great day.